How to convert a PowerPoint presentation into GIF or GIF. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert a PowerPoint presentation into GIF. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is open up a browser in your device. After that, head towards the search bar and there type in convertdoc, then press enter in your keyboard. Once you're here, now using this online tool, you can convert your PowerPoint presentation into the GIF. So here click on choose file. Now from your device, you have to select your presentation or PowerPoint presentation or PPTX file that you want to convert into GIF. Here I have this file right here, then click on open. After that, click on this drop down that says to, click on image, then click on GIF. Then head over to this convert option, then click on convert. Now you have to wait for a few seconds until the file gets converted. Once the process is complete, you will have an option to download the file. All you have to do is click on the download option, and once downloaded, you can access the converted file into GIF. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.